Over the next few minutes, we will explain what account payable payment terms are, and we'll show you how to set them up. Use the terms object to set up the payment terms by which the due date of an invoice is calculated, and to determine the discount dates and discount amounts on invoices. Note that the system fully supports complex term code configurations, including the setup of a multiple payment schedule, as well as the use of due date tables. Let's have a look at setting up some term codes. Under AP Setup, double-click the Terms object, and the AP Terms window will appear. Let's have a look at the 210 Net 30 Terms code. You can calculate base for discount with the tax either included or excluded. In the Terms discount 210 Net 30, the due date type would be days from invoice date. The discount type would also be days from invoice date. When using this terms code, the payment is due within 30 days. So under payment number, there would only be one payment number, 1. 100% is owed in 30 days. If the full amount is paid within 10 days, you would specify the appropriate discount percentage, in this case 2%, in the discount percent cell. The number of days would be 10. Let's have a look at setting up another terms discount. This time, we'll set up a terms code that utilizes a payment schedule. In this case, there are 3 due dates for the invoice. 50% of the invoice is due within 30 days, 30% is due within 60 days, and the final 20% is due in 90 days. And notice that for each payment number, you can specify a separate number of days as well as a discount percentage. Let's have a look at setting up a terms code that utilizes a due date table. In this example, there is going to be a single payment. 100% of the invoice will be due. However, when it's due depends on when the invoice was issued. If you have a look at the due date table section, you'll notice that if the invoice is issued between the 1st and the 10th of the month, the invoice total would be due on the 15th of that month. If the invoice was issued between the 11th and the 20th of the month, the invoice total would be due on the 25th of that month. Finally, if the invoice was issued between the 21st and the 31st of the month, the invoice total would be due on the 5th of the following month. This is how you set up terms codes in accounts payable. Now please pause this video and open the document with the exercises. This document can be found in your learning package on Sage University. In order to practice modifying and reviewing the payment terms, complete exercise 3 from the Maintaining AP lesson. Were you able to review the payment terms? Great! Congratulations! You now know what the AP payment terms are and how to set them up.